Now moving on to planting. I'm going to expedite a couple things here. The target plant date versus actual plant dates. Seedlings and clones. What equipment was used. Time and labor requirements and unexpected issues. Target plant date, I will tell you, is May. Beginning of May. Or early
May.
Or early June. Late May to early June. When did you guys get planted in Oregon?
We started mid-June. We finished up around the 1st of July. So we wanted to be out in about the 20th of May. We just, things happen. We got some delays. It wasn't really so much weather. We didn't work the fields as much as we should have in March on the good days. If you got a good day early, you just got to get out there and start working the fields and get ahead of the game. And we were a little bit lackluster, and so we had to catch up. But we still got in early June. And we've already covered most of that. The equipment we used the rainflow layer for drip and plastic. We used 4-foot wide plastic. We're going to do biodegradable plastic this year. And we were using a water wheel, but we started punching the drip tape a lot, and we ended up just on a 30-acre farm hand planting a lot of it, and it went really fast. I mean, really, if you can get down a good hand planting system, it's amazing, and you can punch it down and almost keep up with a water wheel. So anyway, we blended a water wheel and some hand plant.
We had a water wheel. We was going to put plastic down, but the weather didn't let us. And I'd say this year I want to put plastic down because fighting weeds is no fun. How about we're out of hoe weeds all summer?
So with the way our partnership developed, our late seed date and everything, we ended up taking 8 acres of wheat ground, and we ended up roll ripping wheat instead of rye, and that was a big mistake. It ended up, we rolled it down, it didn't die the first time because the ground was too wet, and it came back, and the head filled, and it planted all wheat. And so we were fighting wheat all summer long, and what we ended up doing was we were mowing down the rows, and we come in with weed eaters around the bottom of the plants. We were hand picking, and that was a mess. But on the bright side, we had about an acre of our cover crop, the rye, and we didn't do hardly any work in that acre most of the summer. It was big weed here and there or something like that. It wasn't like we were fighting the weed all summer long.
Our target plant date was, we wanted to be finished up first week of June. We didn't get planted again. We finished on the 20th of July, so we were way behind. Most of that's due to late licensures. We didn't get approved for a license till after the 15th of April, so part of that does play into your scheduling of everything. Nobody's going to spend hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars for that license. Other than that, the weather really delayed us on the planting. It helped us on our irrigation though. Our irrigation system failed us about 70% of the time. So we won't be going back to those guys. However, the rain saved us there, so we were able to water our plants. We did use plastic for weed mitigation. I won't do it any other way. It's a pain in the butt to deal with when it comes to lifting time, but to be honest, we're gonna make a quote. It's not that bad. It's a lot better than wearing out hubs.
So recommendations in getting planted: stay away from clones, go seeds or seedlings. You want to plant in late May, early June. You can use a water wheel. Ideally, you are laying drip irrigation plastic mulch for weed mitigation, moisture retention. So many positives with plastic mulch. I know it's plastic. People don't like plastic, but this is a real lifesaver. It's the plastic mulch. And time and labor. I mean, Sheldon mentioned that they planted a lot of it by hand. It's a great way to do it. If you don't have any equipment to use, go by hand. The more you do by hand with feminized hemp, the better off you're going to be because you are taking care of the crop. You're taking care of and you're protecting the CBD and minor cannabinoids. The more you can do by hand, the better you take care of the crop, the better your results.